Goddamn hoes, here we go again. Fucking with Ren, playing the win. Coke in hand, juice and gins. Same shit you was fucking with way back then. We keep it cracking from the acting to the jacking. G'd up, C'd up, motherfucker blaze the weed up. We all on deck, fool, so put your heat up. I stay on deck, so man don't get whacked.
This the shit niggas kill for. They hit a villain, niggas spitting with them nigga flows. Fuck you hoes, fuck you bitch ass niggas too. Got something for your throat. These niggas wearing skirts like the Pope. Who them niggas that you love to get? Who them niggas that you fucking with? Love to yell that we the shit. The saga continues with the world's most dangerous group. Both deep in the coop.
We can scatter like buckshot. Let's get together, make a record. Why the fuck not?
Why the fuck not?
Why the fuck not? Cause I'm tight as the night I had to wipe activator off the mic in 1985. We cause tragedy, erratically, systematically. In your house without a key, how fucked up that'll be? Gotta be near your anatomy, my for my flattery.
We tend to bust on niggas that get mad at me.
Was it a bitch in the mix?
Well, it had to be.
Lying tricks told them dicks that I had a key. Hoes make the world harder than it had to be.
Yeah, that's right.
I